Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 15th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the euro dollar possibly is trying to end an ABC cuts, and we really need to see some breaks of structure to the upside to really confirm that this is the end of an ABC. So if it does something like this and then goes up and gives us a nice solid break of structure, that to me is what I'm looking for to help prove that the ABC correction really is complete. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is actually playing out as an extremely clear pattern. Looks like a nice five waves up and then nice impulsive down, most likely a wave A. Hopefully this move up right here is a wave B, right to the 61% Fibonacci retracement of the wave A. I think there's a good chance we might push down one more time to make a wave C, and then hopefully we get another push up for a wave 3. Hopefully this first five waves up is a wave 1, this is an ABC of 2, and then once the wave 2 is over, we should get another big push up for a big wave 3. If it, like I said, if it gives us a nice solid break of structure, it should confirm that this low right here really is the end of a correction on the much higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.